Use your hands. They can generate a lot of energy, so that's useful in a healing. So your hand chakra is in the palm of your hand. It's quite large. And then the fingertip chakra, there's one in each fingertip. You set those to be a metallic gold color, and then they'll generate that color. So even if you can't see energy, it's okay, it works. Just do it with your thought or your intention or your imagination. And then you have a copy out in front of you of yourself, and you heal the copy of yourself, and that's what heals you. You could. Okay. So the echo effect is where past baggage from past recurring events that you're still stuck about can affect you every time that recurring event comes back around. So that can happen with holidays or birthdays, but it can happen with, test taking or driving or something that you have an issue with. It could be previous times where you had that experience that you're still stuck about, that echoes forward. The bad feelings echo forward and influence how you're experiencing the event now. So you can imagine a string of beads, like a necklace. If you take off a necklace and just hold it straight out, and there's a whole bunch of beads there, right? String of beads. So like a big string of beads representing your holidays, present and past, so it's like a timeline kind of. So all the holidays we'll just do in, I guess we'll make it interesting, past life too. So all the holidays that you've ever experienced in any of your lifetimes, right? So it's a long string of beads. And then have the ones that there's no baggage, you don't have to clear anything from that holiday, be like clear with a little gold if you want. And then the other ones are just different colors of stuff that you need to clear. And just run gold light through the whole thing. And just have your intention be you're going to clear a healthy and gentle amount, right? And so just run gold light through the string of beads of holidays so that you're clearing old holiday baggage. And we can lump birthdays into holidays. Lump in religious holidays, cultural holidays, family holidays, whatever they were. And just melt the baggage, melt a healthy and gentle amount of the baggage away. So just a little bit more gold light. You can bring up red earth energy if you want to, soak all the beads in red earth energy, and then more gold light. You can find like the worst bead that is still healthy and gentle to work, and just use extra gold light on the worst bead. And then the second to worst bead, extra gold light on that one. Third to worst bead, run gold light through that one. Right, because you don't want all that yuckiness echoing forward, right? It's better just to clear it. It's easier just to clear it. All right, so then you can let that go. Let's do like a tricolor earth energy soak. So make your groundings red and use them like a red straw. Bring up red earth energy and up, 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 up. Soak everything, all your auras, all your chakras, all your body in red earth energy. Your astral body too. Red earth energy, and just take some deep breaths. Think about it's okay to receive. It's okay to let go. And then bring that red earth energy down to the level of your grounding, which would be as high as your third chakra, hopefully. And then make both your groundings orange. And bring up orange earth energy all the way up, 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 up. Soak in the orange earth energy. Deep breath. Bring that back down. And make your grounding yellow, your favorite shade of yellow, and use it like a yellow straw. Bring up yellow earth energy up, 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 up. Soak everything in yellow earth energy. And bring that back down to the level of your grounding at the third chakra. And make the colors whatever you want, either red or orange or yellow of your groundings, both the same color. All right, good job.